Hello crafty friends, it's Donna here. Welcome to another video for Paper Rose Studio. Our starting point for today's card is the Lots of Leaves stamp set. I've stamped one of the leaves with Memento Tuxedo black ink, which won't smudge with Copics or other alcohol markers, and I'm going to colour these in. I've coloured 2 leaves on screen for you to see the process, but every single leaf was coloured the same. My idea for this card is to have a series of windows, each with the same stamp but with different colours in the background that reflect the colours of each leaf. And so my first step is to colour a set of leaves for these windows. I know that I want some soft, muted colours, and so as far as Copics go, a lot of the ones I have chosen have a 7 or an 8 or a 9 as their first number, because those numbers indicate that whatever follows is going to be more muted. Next, I'm going to construct the frame for my card. I'm using the very long named Slimline Card Creator 1 Rectangles metal die. This die cuts a really large slimline card, which will be perfect for the size of leaves that I want to use today. I'm going for a gradient look, so I'm first painting a light colour across the whole square and then dropping in some stronger colour at one end and letting it flow down. Panels are dry, the next job is to cut them up and rearrange them into an order that I like. I've measured the size that they need to be and also taken a photo so that I don't forget what I decided. I've glued the watercolour pieces directly to the card and then popped the frame up with foam tape. I've chosen not to put a sentiment on the front of this card, and I'll add something to the middle once I decide where it's going to and what the occasion is. And if you're wondering what happened to the leaf and the panel that didn't make it onto the card, I very quickly made them into another single card, and I've put the making of that card into a 20-second clip just so that you can see what I did. Paper Rose cards and inspiration, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.